Come on, dog.
Yeah. Look at the camera. Look.
Don't bite me. Look. It's video recording.
Look. Look at the camera. Here.
Ryan, do tricks.
Oh, now he stops. He's
Stop
like,
like-
oh, I'm afraid of heights. No, please don't do that again. No. Oh, no.
Ryan, look at this.
Busy.
Right over you. Just look at that. Like here. Here. Why it's only here? I can think because that hole.
I think it's because there's a smelly Iraqi.
Maybe it's smell American. I was riding on a bicycle.
Oh no. Oh no.
Nope.
Maybe a dirty little puppy.
Go ahead and run, Ryan. Want a video of you? Go ahead and run.
No, I don't.
Take off running.
No.
Take off running.
No. Dude, how big was that file? Wasn't it like 60 megabytes?
I don't know. I don't really know. I don't really know. Bobby, go get that bottle.
Oh!
He just fall on your face. Here you go. You like chasing me, huh? Now what? Now what? Now what? What? There you go, little puppy. There you go. Come here. Come on, let's go here. Come on. So I see things work out, I guess.